Ki Khubor Ka Bate Se TV. Lawan Rashapi Taka Frank Yamaha. Visit Yamaha showroom for big discount and very low down payments only this August. Don't miss out. Contact 96129-51198 or 96129-51298.
The question of grumbling each other does not arise at all. We are the most happiness party and the discipline party. Please remember that. And you have fitness.
National General Secretary Jongga NPP uba Sniawbhalang dhar uba longru usembut menteri rangba kejela ha ka arpoi tarik unaila rajab saw ulaong badang don sakiwei pat ki MLA jong ki wei pat ki parti ki balap penpau baki angnun ban Pynïasoh syaka NPP ha kejekaran bikilat patai gubor uba Sniawbhalang dhar ulaong baka parti kadang bishar bat ha kejo kapor ula kentaj ban ai ka jingtep ka babnia lagi digi MLA na ki parti ki bayi trailang ha ka sorkar lani ki MLA ki badon ha ki parti jong kaliang persya.
Within approach from NPP, some of them are approaching us, so we are still examining it. Their own, you see, they are the legislator. They are for development, as like how they express very clearly in the media, and that is the one. You see, because maybe they are all senior politicians. They express very clearly also because we need development for people, so we have to choose and select the right directions. Maybe they see that the performance of the government is very good. Maybe that is one of the reasons they are joining with the NPP. This question he should ask from his own party MLA who joined us. I'm not the right person to reply for that.
And is that
No, that is not. That is his allegation, but the MLAs expresses very clearly in front of you on the day of joining. Mainly is for development. Allegation from anybody they may allege, but actually it's not true. It's a false and baseless allegation. Benefit is for all. Benefit is for all the constituency of the state. The report is very good and very positive. Hopefully we'll be able to get back this seat. But good, yes. If they are, especially they join during this time, is maybe there is a plus for us. It's a good time. They join at the right time. That I can't say that. They are joining at the right time. That's what if you come, most welcome. Don't worry.
coalition partner?
We will work very, very happily with our own coalition partners and we trust them. It's to everybody. Yes, if the respected party want to change, that is up to them. That is up to them. It's their wish. I'm more happy after they join. All the NDP MLA, they are express their happiness. All of them. Why not? We are trying to strengthen our own party. The question of grumbling each other does not arise at all. We are the most happiness party and the discipline party. Please remember that. And you have witnessed it for the last 7 years. Simple. It based on the MLA who will elect the leader. Obviously. No demand at all. That's why you witness it very well also. For the last almost 7 years, there is no grumbling in the leadership within the MP family. I think you know very well. No, that I cannot say, no. The only thing that every political party who want to join NPP, they are most welcome and we welcome them.